fucking... Hey, man, I changed the fucking throttle body. Got a new one on over there. And changed it and it's still not starting to fuck over. Get a click. Watch. Yeah. I get this damn... Still got this lightning bolt right there. It comes up and stays. Go ahead. See? See? Lightning bolt still up there. But after a while, you'll start up. If I let it sit, it'll start up. I can hear the throttle by engaging and everything. See? Everything will go off. So I guess my next move might be the front crankshaft sensor, or the starter gotta be replaced again. I just replaced that. Shit. See? That click, then make another click afterwards. Some bullshit. I can try doing a little bypass at tipping. Try that shit too. That didn't work. So it's not the relay on my fuel pump or none of that. Let me know what y'all think.